Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for your credits in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Tools and Services section, look for the Search Credit button and click on that. And to search for your credits, you need to give your confirmation number or PIN, which you can find on your ticket receipt or in your emails. And then you have to provide your last name, and then just click on the search button and your credits will appear. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.